Hi viewers, right now I want to discuss RM command, that means a remove command. At first clear the terminal. Okay, ls. So right now uh, RM command is used for removing and deleting file and directory. Basic syntax: RM option file directory. So at first main RM, okay, pkg install main. Okay, just wait. RM file name. This is the basic syntax actually. So ls. Okay, I want to remove L1, L2, L3. RM R L1, L2, L3, ls. I think you can understand. So task bunny security txt. I create a file. How can remove the file? What is the command? Actually, rm commands use same. Rm f bunny security txt. Okay, ls. Okay, I think you can understand. So interactive removal, use I, verbose mode v. Be very careful when you using rm command. Specifically r option can delete directories and their containers. Always double click their list file or directory. RM specifically rf command. So because remember to executive acceleration, specifically when using rm, the powerful option like r f avoid understand data loss. If you have any specific scenario or question about using the rm command, feel free to ask. Thank you. No more today. Bye bye.